Hello, Taylor Elwood with Imagine Your Reality Business Coaching, and today I'm going to talk a bit about networking. Um, I find that networking is one of those activities that people often, question, okay, what is the value of this particular activity? Today, in fact, I was meeting with somebody and she said, well, how many hours do you spend networking? And it was an interesting question to ask. I figured it out, and I figured between 5 and 8 hours a week is how much time I spend networking. If you think about it, that's almost that's a full day of work right there, just going to networking events. And it's natural to question, well, why would we want to spend that much time networking? Well, first of all, I should note too that when I say 5 to 8 hours, that I'm not just talking about going to networking meetings. I'm also talking about meeting with people individually and getting to know them better. Well, why do we want to do all that? Because we want to deepen the relationships that we have with the people that we know. We want to get to know the people that we're meeting better. We want to establish a reason for people to want to do business with us. Going to networking events really involves meeting people for the first time, but actually developing those relationships usually needs to occur one-on-one. You need to actually spend some time with those people individually to get to really know them and understand who they are and what they do. And what I find is that a lot of times the reason people don't get a lot of value out of networking is that they're not committing enough time to really developing the relationships that they have. They want to get leads, they want to get business, and they're so focused on that end result that they're not paying attention to the process of networking. I talk about this a lot in my book, Who Trusts You, and you can certainly see it as well in just networking activities in general, where people are just, they want that business so much that they don't want to necessarily spend the time just getting to know somebody and really understanding who that person is and what they can do and how they can help. And of course, the thing is about networking is that networking isn't just about getting business. Networking is really about helping people solve problems. In this series of videos, which I'm going to shoot, which this is the first one, we're going to explore more about what networking actually is and how to do it. But today I want to leave you with the thought that about networking, which is this: if you're not satisfied with what you're getting from your networking, maybe what you need to explore is what you're actually trying to get from networking. And then ask yourself if that's really in alignment with actually growing your business. And what I mean by that is if you're just there to get business, if you're there to get leads, maybe you need to question that and ask if that's really happening as a result of networking, or if what you need to do is change your focus a bit and ask yourself what you can do to become better at giving business, giving leads, connecting to people, developing relationships. We're going to explore these topics in the next few weeks in more depth. In any case, I look forward to helping you become better at networking. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button. Thank you very much.